Good morning, y'all. It's Vlogtober day 3.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So, good morning, you guys. It is 7:56 in the morning. My son is already dressed for school. There he is. And my mom is actually warming up the car. I threw on some clothes because she wants to go to Sheetz this morning and get something to eat. So I'm just going to take my hair down. My hair has been wrapped for like 2 days. I haven't took it down. And I did perm my hair recently, so it's like really straight, or at least it should be. And I actually flat ironed it. I actually flat ironed it on Friday because I went out with some friends to Buffalo Wild Wings, so I did straighten it because my hair, I don't know what it is about my hair. Even after I perm it, some people can wrap their hair and it will be slick and smooth down to their head. Mine's come out a little puffy. I don't know, maybe because I just have like thick hair in general, so it just puffs up and doesn't act right. So I have to still flat iron my hair just a little bit to get it to look straight and like I actually have a perm in my head. So I'm just gonna comb it down. I don't really know what I'm going to get as Sheetz. I think I'm gonna look on my phone and see what type of like deals or whatever I have on my card, and then just get whatever deal that I have on my card so I can get some money off, because yes, honey, yeah. So that's done. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of eye drop in my eyes because my eyes are kind of dry this morning. And I actually hate to use eye drop, you guys.
I
need to actually zip up my coat. It's actually not that cold outside today.
I mean, I got it warm in here. I feel the heat coming.
This is what he does in the morning, y'all.
One child.
Let me see you guys. Comments right there. But we're just gonna go sit at the bus stop and wait for his bus, which should be here soon. I had to rush out the door because I wasn't paying attention to the times. It's like my glasses need to be kind of like. My hair actually grew a lot, and I'm just so happy that my hair is starting to grow. But I'll just get back to y'all when I get to Sheetz. Say bye, Quan. Bye. Say bye, Mom. The bus is finally here, and shout out to my mommy for being a good Mimo and putting him on the bus. Because your girl did not want to get out the car. What's this?
I can stand right in here and sightsee all day.
778.
This is probably you.
Yeah, that's one. Oh, I see.
So we got our Sheetz, and now I'm about to go to Dunkin Donuts because I always want a jelly donut, and they never have them when I come. So you have to come like early in the morning to get a jelly donut. So I'm gonna go and get me a jelly donut and a coffee because I'm jealous because my mom got a coffee, and I didn't think to give me one. But then again, I think I'm gonna just make coffee at home. Save points, save points. So I just want my donut. Not that I need it because I'm trying to lose weight. So why do I want a donut? But hey, they ain't got no business. There are little snowflakes in the window.
Got potholes though. Look at that big dog.
Oh, the sun.
Look at that big dog.
I see it.
They looking at it too.
These girls and went and got them some coffee. She tall.
Ooh, she tall.
She got to be
like
some
6
type of
foot.
I was about to tell you the weight because they got a bag out. Parking area is kind of small. Their building is kind of small, but Dunkin Donuts, y'all. I lied. They got a line, y'all. They got some type of business. Just nobody really goes in the inside of here. I'm sorry, I keep licking my lips. Like, my lips is dry right now, y'all. I forgot to throw on Carmex because I was rushing out the door. Like, my son was like, oh, Mom, 7:58, and we were supposed to leave the house at 7:55. So I'm like rushing to get my shoes, zip up my coat. Like, he left the door open because he went outside to have my mom help him get in the car, and he left the door wide open. Well, not wide open.
I was even back and let her out.
But yeah, and I was like,
she's smart.
really, dude?
She went inside.
It's nice going in inside in here, but it's just their parking area is so small, and then they have the drive-through. It's like hard to kind of get out, so it's like. But yeah, I'll let you know if it's a success or not for my donut. My hair is cute. My lips are so dry. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. Well, guys, that was a fail. Jelly donuts are already sold out, and it's only 8 o'clock. It's like almost 8:50, and they're already out of jelly donuts. I'm so upset, but I just got me a glazed donut, me and my mom, and I got me a large coffee. And it's gonna be so bomb.
They got a decent menu here. I see why people come here. What you doing?
I'm mad about my jelly donut. I'm about to just not come to Dunkin' Donuts anymore because they never have what I want. Like, I just want a jelly donut and go on my merry way. But I hope this coffee good though, because that'll make my day.
Oh, what are you doing?
Showing you food. It's cute. Alright, y'all. So I just got my coffee from Dunkin' Donuts, and I got my cream and sugar on the side. I don't know why they put it in a cup. But yeah, that's my donut, which my mom stuck it on the side where all my glaze is on the bottom. And I actually got a steak sub, which is not breakfast, but that's just what I got from Sheetz.
Definitely black. Ain't no
But
cream in that at all.
that's that. I wish I would have got cheese, but I didn't want to pay extra, so yeah. And I'm gonna use probably this creamer here because this creamer is probably disgusting. Actually, that's the sugar. Let's see. Where's the creamer? They got light cream. I don't think I've ever tried this. So, my mom might use that, but I'm going to use French vanilla because it's my favorite.
Don't put your baby on the table. They say make you cut teeth hard. Some shit like that. Just say you're sorry and get it up.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so I actually haven't filmed since like earlier this morning. I actually laid down and took a nap. Then I had to go get this little guy from the bus stop. But now we're actually about to do a little project.
What kind of project?
I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. So, hold yours, and I hold mine. We're gonna do this little stocking project here. I'm not even sure what's in here, y'all, but
got an A.
basically it's make your own stocking. So we're gonna do this, but you guys are gonna have to stay tuned and watch tomorrow's vlog
With
to see it.
scissors.
Yes, we have to use scissors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on this, and you guys will just have to stay tuned.